Hello everyone, my name is Heather. I'm a pharmacy technician at Hawthorne Pharmacy on Sunset, and today for We Care Wednesday, I'm talking to you about first aid kits for summer. Summer is quickly approaching, and hopefully for that means making memories outdoors with your family and friends. That also means it's a perfect time to start building your own first aid kit if you haven't already. First aid kits can be particular to each person's medicinal needs. However, these are some ideas to help you build your own general first aid kit for every trip you might have. First off, we're gonna have sunscreen. This is kind of obvious, but it's so helpful and can be often overlooked, especially when you go outside, you come back in and you have a sunburn you weren't expecting to have. Sunscreen is going to be useful for you no matter what you're doing, and it's something that you can apply in the morning and reapply in the afternoon to prevent sunburn all day. For the inevitable sunburn that we all are going to get, we have aloe vera. This is going to give you a little bit of relief and help that peeling and dry feeling you're going to get if you do get a sunburn. This one in particular has lidocaine in it, so if you get a more severe burn, this is going to give you a little bit of topical pain relief. You also can pack pain relievers for something like that. These specific ones come in individually wrapped packets. These are great for taking on the go, and you can easily check the expiration date. So when you're going through your first aid kit, you can make sure everything is safe for you to use. We also have some Benadryl. This is going to be great for if you happen to stumble upon some poison ivy or get stung by something that you have a reaction to. Until you can get to a better solution, this is going to hold you over great. This is going to help itch and give you some relief from anything that might come your way. It has histamine blockers in it, which is what's going to give you that reaction when you get stung or have some poison ivy. Hydrocortisone is going to do something similar as well. It's going to help you have itch relief from insect bites, poison ivy, and psoriasis because it calms down that inflammation and redness and soothes the itch. Neosporin is going to be similar. This is going to give you some pain relief from cuts, scrapes, and burns. And when we're talking about having these injuries, it's also important to talk about cleaning them before we apply products to them. That way we can fight off infection and prevent any bacteria from coming into a wound. This is antiseptic skin cleanser, and these are some alcohol wipes that you can easily pack in a first aid kit to clean the wound before applying anything else. Then we have gauze and bandages. These are going to help for various reasons. Band-aids can be for your smaller cuts and scrapes, and gauze as well as split sponges can be for if you happen to have a larger injury. This will sustain you until you're able to get back home or to a doctor's office to prevent any excess bleeding or any bacteria getting into your wound. Finally, we have something I think is really interesting. This is a cold pack, but the interesting part about this is that it doesn't require any water or electricity to activate it. So all you need to do for something like this is to just shake it and put it against your skin, and it's going to provide you relief from either overheating, or if you have an injury that you need a little bit of relief from and maybe you don't have any access to pain medication, or you want quicker relief than taking some pain medication, this is going to be a great solution to have. And of course, always remember to have water in your first aid kits. It's always important to have water in your vehicle or on your person when you're out this summer to prevent being dehydrated and overheating.